How to change Instagram profile background color. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. For this option, there is no one way. What you can do is you may have any followers, 1 to 100k to 1 million, but the thing is, Instagram will give that option to you only as a reward. For that, eligibility criteria are make sure you're consistent and you're active on Instagram, and there are many friends on Instagram. Make sure you're using Instagram on daily, and make sure there is authenticity on your content as well. And after you do that, Instagram will select people and you may also be one of them. This is how to change Instagram profile background color. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.